Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ether has actually seen the reaction from the area where we wanted to see a reaction, but yeah, is this already the start to the C wave down? I am very skeptical. While we have taken, or while the price has taken out the first micro support level, which was here, the wave 4 low, yeah, I highlighted to you that needs to be the first break below that level would be a first indication that a top of sorts has formed and that we shouldn't expect further direct extensions in this C wave. And yeah, I mean, this C wave is probably over. It's simply that so far, this is not a terribly confident or clear start to a C wave to the downside. It was brought up very quickly. So while this corrective structure might be complete, we cannot rule out a more complex WXY or ABC structure, which is forming here. Because it's always about, this was the first indication. It's not confirmation. So we shouldn't mix these two things up. And indication is just a low confidence move, but it makes us watch, okay? So it only indicates. So that means, okay, then we go to the chart and assess. And to be honest, I don't... Well, it could be, okay? So I just need to see more evidence. It was brought up immediately, so it's not a sustained break below that wave 4 low, and that's really what I would like to see. Sustained break, and then obviously followed by a break of this trend line here. See this ascending trend line? That should really break to give us further clarity that we're moving towards the $2,000 level. That's going to be the next key support at around $2,000. At the moment, I will not rule out higher prices, absolutely not. And if we move any higher, then the next level to watch is $2,346. If we add the VRVP, which is the volume profile, then you see this is also the point of control. So there's been a lot of trading there, a lot of trading around that price area, pretty much where the 78.6 retrace is sitting, which is a key level, but also it's the point of control. Most volume, so the price might be drawn to that area. So would keep that in mind. If the price gets above that level, we can still explore a high B wave, and then we just need to be mindful of the next levels: 2,371, 2,401, and then possibly all the way up to 2,500, possible even an overshooting B wave, even though I have to say in a wave 2 correction, an overshooting B wave is quite rare. They often happen in a wave 4, so I wouldn't be surprised if it happens. It's a bullish market environment. You get fake outs to the upside because there are still a lot of buyers, and the upside pressure is there. It's just that I would be, let's say, I shouldn't say surprised, but it would be, you have to expect it more on the Bitcoin chart where we're actually in a wave 4. But likelihood is if Bitcoin does it, ETH might do it as well. But yeah, it's getting bought up pretty quickly. So at this stage, we cannot rule out another high towards 2,346, 2,371, or even $2,400, which is actually the 2023 high. So there should be a good resistance in this area. If not, 2,500 is the next level to watch. That's also one of the main Fibonacci levels on the daily chart. Actually, there it's 2,530. There's plenty of resistance above us. Overall, don't forget that the trend is still up, so we are purely here looking at a counter trend move, which doesn't mean that we're bearish. It just means that it doesn't give us enough confidence yet to say the correction is over. And we always have to align ourselves with probabilities, and probabilities would suggest in a wave 2 a more, let's say, pronounced correction. And then if the trend line breaks, it should send us down to around about $2,000 next. That's the beginning of this larger support area. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.